leave those the box information up there for you so you can look at it while we wait a couple minutes here. I don't know, I haven't opened Donruss. I opened Donruss basketball one time, pretty soon after it first released, but I haven't done it since. So Prizm retail box is always pretty fun, but I'm excited to see those floods again. I don't think we'll have a ton of people in here tonight watching. I think most everybody got multiple teams. So usually when everybody gets 2 or 3 teams, it usually means they have less buyers. I think we might have had 12 buyers or so tonight. So a lot of people are going to wait to watch in the morning anyways. Yeah, so the hanger, we'll go through the hangers first. Look for some of those green floods. I do remember we did like a 5 or 10 box break a couple times when it first came out, and that was it. We did pull autos out of the hangers, so that's nice. Maybe we'll get lucky tonight, but anyways, if you guys can hear and see me okay, just give me a thumbs up, and we'll go ahead and get started. 6 blasters and 5 megas. I don't know if I've ever seen a Donruss mega. I know I've never had one. I don't even know what they look like. I need to look them up. I looked for Donruss when it first came out on eBay a couple times, and I think I felt like it was overpriced, so I didn't really buy any. But anyways, is Steph Curry on the front of the mega boxes too? Gotcha. I have to look for those. I'm probably going to flip through. I can't remember the layout of these. I think it's pretty much base for the first 2/3 of the way. So we'll flip through that and flip around the cards over and over. And then we get to the meat of the box. We'll start calling them all out. Donruss usually have some good photography though. That's the way we were doing the football breaks. There's just so much base in the Donruss sets that it makes for a pretty boring break until you actually get to the nice inserts and potential autographs or rated rookies and whatnot. So it's kind of neat. The nameplates are bronze. Makes me think they're all bronze parallels, but that's just the way the base cards are. So hopefully we get some nice green floods tonight, and maybe get lucky and have a nice autograph or some decent numbered inserts or something. It's crazy. Donruss, wasn't printed super long ago. It's been out for a while. They're not stocking it anymore, but there's so many guys that are on outdated teams on here. There's Carmelo, the Blazers. Lakers are like a whole new squad except for 2 guys. There's John Morant. All right, we're getting close here. First green flood. LaMarcus Aldridge to the Spurs. Got Al Horford, the Sixers. A rated rookie of Tyrell Terry. Green flood for the Mavericks. I'm not sure if you're guaranteed a green flood rookie. But that's nice that we got one. Here come the inserts. We get a Giannis Complete Players. Franchise features Zion. Got a James Harden Fantasy Stars. Our rated rookies are Isaac Okoro. There's a James Wiseman. Skylar Mays for the Hawks. Saban Lee, Tyler Bay, Tyrell Terry, dang, like 3 Mavericks rated rookies in here. Peyton Pritchard, not a bad one for the Celtics. Tyrese Maxey, another good one. Another Mavericks rookie. Good golly. Josh Green. And we got Kyra Lewis Jr. Yep, that's it. Some decent ones out of there. I wish I would have paired this break up a long time ago, because we did so many just basic Prizm retail box breaks that it got kind of old seeing like 3 and 4 teams have like one card in the break. So hopefully this Donruss break, there might be like a surprise team get a nice auto or numbered insert or green flood rookie, along with 96 cards that come out of the Prizm retail box. So I don't know. I only have one Prizm retail box left, and I'll probably list that break soon. I don't know if I'll do another Donruss with it, or I may do select blasters with it. We already got NBA on the TV, though. They got some preseason games on Sunday, I believe it was the first day of it, so right around the corner. That's the other thing that annoys me about Donruss and Chronicles. Very rarely in the more premier sets does it happen, but so many like flipped over cards. The man, the myth, the legend, Caruso. I'm interested to watch that Bulls team this year. They're another team about like the Lakers, like quite a bit of variety on the roster this year compared to last year. Like Zach LaVine's been working pretty hard through his career and kind of goes unnoticed, so maybe they'll have a good season for him. I gotta watch what I say, honestly. I don't even know if Zach LaVine's still on the Bulls. I can't keep up. I picked up a Google the other day and was looking through some various rosters, and I was like, wait, what? I can't remember who it was that surprised me. I was like, when did he get traded or released or whatever? We're almost there. All right, here we go. First green flood, De'Aaron Fox. Not a bad one for the Kings. Montrezl Harrell for the Clippers. Oh, there's a sweet looking card. I wonder if this one's numbered. It's like a hollow franchise features Ja Morant. It's not numbered, but it is like a hollow foil type card. Very nice. I thought it was going to be die cut when I first saw it pop out there. Fantasy Stars, LeBron James. Franchise features Domantas Sabonis. Got a rookie insert of Isaiah Stewart. Great Expectations. And then we got a Patrick Williams rookie for the Bulls. Cassius Winston. Nick Richards. Trey Jones. Daniel Oturu. Jaden McDaniels. Caleb Martin. Precious Achua. Got Cole Anthony, not a bad one there for the Magic. And Tyrese Halliburton. So again, snagged a couple of the big guys. Got Halliburton. Ja Morant. I will go back and sleeve all the inserts, rookies, and whatnot from the break. I just A little picky and choosy while we're live. That way the break don't take an hour and a half. I need to just run a break where I do the entire thing live on camera. Do a couple 100-card break, then sleeve, top load, sort, package, and ship all live. That might be kind of interesting. Everybody probably zone out after the break was over, though. Alright, DeJounte Murray, Dwight Powell, Anthony Simmons, Terry Rozier. Don't know why I'm saying all the names. That way I can just go through them a little bit quicker this way. That stack was getting a little tall there. Oh, flipped it over right away on me. Hopefully we can find 5 or 6 different rated rookies in this one. Kind of touch all our bases to start the break. I did not realize a PSA 10 silver Prizm Ja Morant goes for so much. I saw a guy in a group today at a PSA 10 silver of, not Ja Morant, of LaMelo. He's asking like $6,200. Somebody offered him like $4 grand in the comments, and I think they worked out a deal because he said he was gonna shoot him a message. But then I looked on eBay and there's like none, like hardly any sales, and the sales that did happen were over $4 grand. It looked like, so I guess that's a really hard card right now to get a 10 in. I don't know. I just did not realize that card was so expensive. I assumed it'd be in the thousands, but anyways, we got a green flood, Jaren Jackson Jr. for the Grizzlies. Thomas Bryant for the Wizards. Got a green flood insert. Looks like this time. So I guess you aren't guaranteed a rookie every time, but nice complete players. Anthony Davis. Got a great expectations. Halliburton. Franchise features Pascal Siakam. Another great expectations is James Wiseman. Got a second Patrick Williams rookie. Another Cassius Winston. Another Nick Richards. Trey Jones. Daniel Turu. Jaden McDaniels. Caleb Martin. Precious Achua. It's kind of unfortunate the pack runs are so similar in some cases. And Halliburton and Cole Anthony again. Got a few Halliburtons going on though already. The Hawks. I think a Skylar Mays rookie so far. No Okongwu. No like nice Trey Young inserts or parallels or anything yet. So really nothing going for the Hawks just yet. Time for some Prizm basketball though. Get my big old fingers on the side and get these packs out. We should hopefully have an auto in here. I've gotten points a couple times. I hate it when we get points because then I got to come back live later and do a random. I will say the points though, it's usually been a 600 point card. So maybe we can get lucky and get a a big points card if we do get one. I'd rather get an auto. So here we go. Derek Jones Jr., Tony Snell. Got a dominance, Kyrie Irving, and an Aaron Nesmith rookie for the Celtics. Hopefully we can get a pink pulse right here. That'd be nice. John Collins, Kevin Garnett. Got a LaMelo emergent rookie. And Miles Turner. So we got a LaMelo on the board to go along with the other two, Nick Richards and Caleb Martin out of Donruss. Oh, it looks like we already got our auto. I was hoping it'd be towards the end, but Paul George, our auto is Maioni. I'm assuming that's how you say his name. I probably butchered that, but it's a base auto for the Jazz. Interesting. Obi Toppin, Instant Impact, and Darius Garland. I don't know much about this guy, and I'm not sure if I even said his name right. Yeah, it's true. I don't know that he has a whole lot of autos out there. I've never seen one of his autos, so maybe one of those things where it's a limited card by the fact that he's just not a super talented player. Got the Eric Paschall error card, DeAndre Jordan, a green Cody Zeller for the Hornets, and a CJ Ellaby rookie for the Blazers. But it's autos like that, then I'm like, well, as far as value goes, I think 600 points might be a little more valuable than that. 600 points is probably worth about $40 right now. Brook Lopez, Jay Crowder, Isaiah Stewart Instant Impact, and a Tyrese Maxey rookie. So I got a Maxey rookie from both products so far. Since we already pulled our auto, I guess we're hoping for some Ruby Wave rookies, some silver rookies, maybe a green if we get super lucky. Hardly ever pull a green rookie card. De'Aaron Fox, Maxi Kleba. Yes! Spoke it into existence. Robert Woodard, green rookie for the Kings, and Bruce Brown. Oh, that's sweet. I think this is box number 19 of the entire case. And the two best autos, to me, it's kind of a toss-up. Actually, probably not. Sadiq Bey was probably a better auto than Peyton Pritchard, like value-wise, maybe. Well, you got a Sadiq Bey and a Peyton Pritchard auto. I think we had one other decent rookie auto, but for the most part, it's either been like no-name veterans or points. Dylan Brooks, Jarrett Allen. Got a Tyrese Maxey emergent rookie. And Manuel Quickley for the Knicks. George Hill, Brandon Ingram. First Ruby Wave is Jonathan Isaac for the Magic. We got a Desmond Bane rookie for the Grizzlies. Michael Porter Jr., Marcus Aldridge, Silver Al Horford for the Sixers, and Devin Booker. Really hoping we can find a silver and ruby wave rookie. Doug McDermott, Kyle Lowry, Manuel Moody silver for the Jazz, and a Skylar Mays rookie for the Hawks. The top loaders, it's Ultra Pro, so I don't know. Assuming they're 35 point. Doesn't actually say on the box though. Stock number 83665, so I guess I could look up the stock number and maybe figure it out that way. It just says standard trading cards measuring 2.5 by 3.5 inches. A lot of times I buy the cardboard gold. I think those are 20 point. Got Paul Millsap, Karis LeVert, silver Zach LaVine, and Elijah Hughes, rookie for the Jazz. The cardboard gold, I believe, are 20 points, is what they say on the front. Standard 20 point. And these feel about the same as that, so they may be 20 point. I don't know. I did buy some from China. Or it's actually, I guess it's Alibaba is what I used. I thought top loaders were going to be expensive for the long haul. It looks like they've come back down in price, but I bought 20,000 top loaders from China. And they said they were 35 point. We got Jeff Green, Anthony Hardaway, got an Anthony Edwards emergent rookie, and Brandon Clark. They said they were 35 point. They had decent reviews. I didn't see anything that said otherwise. So I get them in the mail after like 2.5 months of waiting. And I immediately take out a pack of them and start going through Chrome cards and Prizm cards trying to top load them. And it was just like no go. Like me and the boys were sitting at the house. I had some old like base Chrome Prizm or base Prizm, base Chrome. Hey, there's a nice one. Got the LeBron base card. This actually looks fairly well centered for the base version. You can see the second dot barely down there. It's a little more clear up there, so top to bottom's a little off, but left to right's better than what I've seen in the past. Usually the base is all messed up centered wise. That's not too bad right there. Got DJ Augustine. Hey, a silver rookie, Trey Jones. And Kendrick Nunn. That was a good pack. But anyway, so the cards wouldn't fit. Chrome and Prizm cards would not fit. I mean, they would fit. I was just basically had to get a hammer to get them down in there. So I've got 20,000 top loaders to use as what I do is put them on top of like if I have cards in a team bag, the top card, I'll just cover it with one of those top loaders on the outside of the team bag. And sometimes I use them as fillers also to help cover cards and stuff, but it's going to take a while to get through 20,000 of those using them for that. Terry Rozier, Marquise Chris, got a Dominance, Rudy Gobert, and a Cassius Stanley rookie for the Pacers. They do fit paper cards really well, like Bowman paper and probably a Donruss card. I don't know if I broke enough Donruss to know, or to try it, but they fit Bowman just fine. It's almost like those top loaders were made for like Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh, like TCG games or something. Alex Caruso, Jason Tatum. Got a Dominance Nikola Jokic for the Nuggets, MVP. And a Killian Hayes rookie for the Pistons. But honestly, that's been one of my bigger mistakes. And I'll find a way to use them all. I've got a couple things I can do to get use out of them, but just rushing to buy top loaders. I got them for like 10 or 11 cents from China. And like not 3 months later, I'm able to get them again for 11 or 12 cents off eBay. So, and an even better brand at that. Cody Zeller, Lonnie Walker. Got a Charles Barkley Team USA. And another card, a little sticky there. Langston Galloway. DeAnthony Melton. Marcus Morris Sr. Got a Cole Anthony Instant Impact. And a Tyler Bay rookie for the Mavericks. Mavericks have gotten more rookie cards between Donruss and Prizm. J.J. Barea. Matisse Thybulle. Another card here. It's a little sophomore stars. Cam Reddish. And Joe Ingles. Where's our Ruby Waves at? I feel like we've only gotten one so far. There we go. Landry Shamet. Hassan Whiteside. Not a rookie. Not a bad player though. Little Pascal Siakam Red Wave or Ruby Wave. And Luke Kennard. Dwight Powell. Norman Powell. Got Nikola Vucevic, Ruby Wave, and Kawhi Leonard. Really want a Ruby Wave rookie for this all said and done. We got a green, we got a silver. Trying to hit the trifecta here. I can't remember the count. Usually there's like, I feel like 5 or 6 maybe Ruby Waves per retail box. Already, we might as well just go ahead and get a pink Pulsar rookie out of 42. Wouldn't that be something? Davis Bertans, Lauri Markkanen. Oh, got a silver emergent Kyra Lewis Jr. A nice little surprise. And DeMar DeRozan. We got 3 packs left, it looks like. I like the look of those cards. A lot of silver in there, even though it's not like the true rookie card, I guess. Looks pretty clean. Ersan Ilyasova, John Morant. Got a Cole Anthony Emergent. Got a few Cole Anthonys tonight. Udoka Azubuike rookie for the Jazz. Alrighty, 2 packs to go. John Wall, Damian Lillard, silver Bismack Biyombo for the Hornets, and a James Wiseman rookie. A nice one there. I think I probably will list it as a Donruss Prizm retail break for that last box. I like the green fuzz in Donruss, and they pop out quite a few rookies. I don't know, we'll see. Marcus Smart, Marvin Bagley. Last one is a silver Domantas Sabonis for the Pacers. and Colin Sexton. I feel like we touched almost all the rookies in some way or another. Maybe we didn't get like the true rookie card or a big silver parallel or anything like that, but I think most every rookie popped out, of the big names anyways. Got a Tyrese Maxey, Peyton Pritchard, these are out of Donruss, James Wiseman, Tyrell Terry, Green Flood, Halliburton base, Cole Anthony base, Patrick Williams. I guess it's like a silver. Does it say Prizm on it? I don't see anything on the back. Just a nice foil franchise features John Morant. I don't see any numbers on it. Maybe that's a Green Flood parallel. It's got the green in the back. I don't know. A De'Aaron Fox, Green Flood. We got the Tyrese Halliburton rated rookie. Great Expectations, James Wiseman and Tyrese Halliburton. Got a green Anthony Davis complete players insert. Our auto is Mai Oni. Sticker auto there for the Jazz. Tyrese Maxey rookie. Robert Woodard green rookie. Emmanuel Quickley rookie. Desmond Bane rookie. Al Horford silver out of Prizm. We had Skylar Mays, Emmanuel Moody silver, Jonathan Isaac Ruby Wave, Elijah Hughes rookie, silver Zach LaVine, Anthony Edwards emergent rookie, silver Trey Jones, LeBron James base dunk card there. Got the Cassius Stanley, Killian Hayes rookies, Nikola Jokic dominance insert, Nikola Vucevic Ruby Wave, Pascal Siakam Ruby Wave, sophomore stars Cam Reddish, silver emergent Kyrie Lewis Jr., Yoka Azubuike, James Wiseman rookies, Bismack Biyombo silver, and a Domantas Sabonis silver for the Pacers. So, I don't know. Mediocre, maybe a little better, mediocre break. Just as far as hitting all the different rookies like that. Like I said, I wish we could have got a couple of bigger ones, but just kind of got a bunch of base and inserts of a bunch of different rookies. Nothing just blew it out of the water. No autos or numbered cards, unfortunately. I do appreciate you guys jumping in. If you need anything, just shoot me a message. eBay or Facebook. I'll see if I can help you out. Ship everything tomorrow, probably around noon or so. And tomorrow being Wednesday, you might have a shot to get it by Saturday. If not, it'll be early next week. Anyways, you guys take it easy, and we'll catch you later. See ya.